The benefits of working with tarot and any divination tool to help support the healing of depression and anxiety is creating a deeper relationship with self and also with spirit. When we connect deeply with our divine guidance, it can oftentimes bring us moments of peace and clarity. That moment of peace and clarity may be just what we needed to continue moving forward on our path towards healing. Today, I am going to take you through a tarot spread that you can do with yourself to gain clarity, peace, and insight into your depression and anxiety. This spread will also offer the next step you can take towards healing. Hi, I'm Rebecca Phoenix, and I'm a magical teacher for Simple Mystic Miracles. Welcome, and thank you for joining me today. If magical healing is your thing, remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on your post notifications so you always get wonderful witchy content from us. This tarot spread for depression is going to ask questions that are going to guide us deeper into exploring the depths of ourselves and where our depression and anxiety may stem from. The more that we can understand ourselves and get curious about our experiences with depression and anxiety, and also offer loving compassion and witness to ourselves, the more we're able to work towards healing these aspects of ourselves. So this tarot spread or questions can also be used as journal prompts. So if you don't have a tarot deck, or if you just like to journal, you can use these questions as journal prompts and write stream of consciousness instead, really letting yourself feel into the questions and write whatever comes to you. This tarot spread is meant to be a magical support on your journey towards healing, and it is not intended to be a substitute for professional care. Working with a professional like a therapist or a body-mind counselor or a psychiatrist is often a necessary step and also rewarding step towards our healing journey with depression and anxiety. The more support that we can receive, the better. I highly recommend working with a professional in the mental health field to further support your journey with depression and anxiety. So to start our journey with our tarot spread, first going to do a little meditation, a very small meditation to get us connected within ourselves and also with our tarot deck. So I'm going to invite you to take your tarot deck into your hands, whichever tarot deck you happen to have. And once you have your cards in your hands, I'm just going to invite you to close your eyes and really hold your tarot deck, charging the energy of the tarot deck with this little mini meditation as you do this. So just for a moment, take a few deep breaths in and again, and one more time. And I'm just going to invite you to feel into, where does depression live in your body? Where do you feel depression in your body when you notice that you're in depression or in anxiety? Just notice, nothing to fix here. We're just getting curious about where depression and anxiety may live in our systems. Once you feel where that lives in your body, we're just going to take a moment there with that feeling, taking some deep breaths as we do this. And just notice your breathing. Are you holding your breath? Is your breath coming out in slow or fast? Just notice, just get curious as you explore this feeling of depression and anxiety in your body. Now just take a moment to notice any thoughts or feelings that may be coming up as you feel into this space inside your body. Now hold the intention in your hands that your tarot deck is going to reveal to you the divine truth and divine healing of the next steps that you can take to support yourself and your mental health on this journey. Just setting that intention now for your cards and your deck, making sure that we say in whichever way is in our highest good. So we're setting that intention for this divine truth to be revealed and these divine steps of healing to be revealed in whichever way is in our highest good. Take another deep breath in. Let that out. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. So while you're shuffling your deck, you're going to think of these 5 questions in your mind. Card number 1, what is currently blocking me in the present moment? Card number 2, how are my anxieties serving me? Card number 3, what am I holding on to in the past that is currently holding me down? Card number 4, what is one small step that I can take towards healing and releasing today? And card number 5, what will the outcome of that release be? So shuffle your deck, really holding on to those questions in your mind, those 5 questions. So you shuffle your deck in whichever way feels good to you. We've already set that intention, so maybe you feel like some cards are also wanting to just come out. That's fine if you want to do it that way. Or you can shuffle and then reveal the 5 top cards. So whichever way you want to do is up to you. But just shuffle until you feel ready holding that intention. And when you're done shuffling, you're going to lay your cards out one at a time in a circular pattern. So the circle is going to represent the wholeness that is always intrinsic in our soul, as well as the healing of our depression and anxiety coming full circle. So remembering these questions as you lay out each card face down one at a time. So card number 1 was, what is currently blocking me in the present moment? Card number 2 was, how are my anxieties serving me? Card number 3 was, what am I holding on to from my past that is weighing me down? Card number 4 was, what is one small step that I can take towards healing and releasing today? And card number 5 was, what will the outcome of that release be? So you make it as close as possible to a circle with 5 cards. Now you're going to reveal one card at a time, really feeling into each card as you reveal it. So I got 10 of Swords here. So what you're going to do is really first, before you go to your book, I want you to really feel into the image that is on your tarot card. Look at the colors. Are there colors associations that you resonate with or bringing up feelings? Does the image bring up feelings for you? Just see what you notice first. Notice everything about the card and what it evokes in you, and feel into your own guidance first. Then you can read your booklet and see what the explanation is as well. And if you're an avid tarot card reader, then you obviously already know what all of your cards mean. But you're still going to want to feel into the image, because each time you might get something different from it. And you're going to continue to do that as you reveal each card. So you're going to do them in the order that you got them in. So just contemplating each question as you reveal each card. So card number 1, again, what is currently blocking me in the present moment? Card number 2, how are my anxieties serving me? Card number 3, what am I holding on to from the past that is weighing me down? Card number 4, what small step towards healing and release can I take today? And card number 5, what will the outcome of this release be? And when you are done, you're going to thank your cards and release the energy, really settling into the answers that you received to these questions. Just really contemplating and feeling into that. You can even do some journaling on each card to get deeper into these questions and the reveal that you got from your tarot deck. So for more magical tips on how to work with your mental health and wellness, and also more witchy content, check out our blog that is linked below in the description. And remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more witchy content like this. Thank you so much for being here with me today. It is such an honor. Blessed be.